It's a little bit chaotic. Picking up dog poop. We can't have a campfire tonight, which is a bummer. This is our bathroom. Oh. Let's go for a run. Hey guys, I just got back from my trail run and the kids are out in the living room playing Hot Wheels, so I'm like basically hiding in my son's room because otherwise it'd be way too loud to film anything. So you can still probably hear them in the background and that's okay. But basically, I did not want to go out for my trail run this morning. It was chilly and honestly, I just wasn't feeling it. It was a little early, earlier than what I'm used to as far as running goes lately, but so glad I did it. It was a beautiful run. And to address the whole running situation, yes, I am running again. My knee is feeling really, really good, and I'm so very grateful for that. I'm grateful for my husband who's kind of coached me through the whole like recovery process. And yeah, so I took about a week and a half off from running completely and started back in very, very slowly last week. Very, very slowly. And I was icing it, resting it, taking my collagen, glucosamine, fish oil, anything that I knew that would help my knee recover, I was doing. So I think that that's why I am recovered so quickly, and I'm now just kind of building my endurance back after taking that time off from running, which is a little bit humbling and can be a little frustrating because I was in a really good place with my training before my injury. My race is exactly 2 weeks away from today. And yeah, I don't really know how it's gonna go. I'm not feeling as confident as I was, but I'm doing it. You know, if I have to walk the whole dang thing, I'm doing it. I signed up for it, so I'm gonna show up and I'm gonna do it. I committed to it. So yeah, again, it's probably gonna be a humbling race for me, but it's fine. I'm just grateful to be running. I'm so very grateful that my knee is feeling better. Anyways, with all that said, we have a very busy day today, so I'm not going to talk too long, or I'm going to try not to. We are actually going camping tonight, and I'm not completely packed. The kids are not completely packed. It's a little bit chaotic. I went for my run. As soon as I got home, Nick went out for a bike ride, and as soon as he gets home, we are packing up the camper and going. So I've got to get them packed. I'm gonna go finish drinking my coffee, packing up everybody, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit when we are headed out to the campsite. So see you then. Yeah, go ahead. You're good. collar, bud. He's not a lost dog. Did you make a friend, Bower? Made it to campsite here. Picking up dog poop. Such a beautiful day. It's gonna be really, really cold tonight. But kids are having fun. Sunny, it's beautiful. Very happy that we made it out camping, finally. Hi there, friend. I don't know his name. I don't know where he came from. I think she is a girl. Hi there. Oh, fall leaves. They're beautiful until they fall on the trail and then you can't see where you're stepping. Okay. Honey. You are kind of clearing the trail for me, girl. Appreciate it.
I did a 360.
It's a swing. You love swinging. Why? Give me one reason why you don't like swinging. Alright, if you don't like swinging now, I'm never going to push you on a swing again.
I don't like it now.
You don't like swinging now?
This black line.
That looks fun.
She's smiling. She's smiling. That means she might be having some fun. Oh, it's still smiling. Come on, let's see. She's smiling?
She's smiling. Bower, what a good boy.
See? This is fun, Kipper.
Okay, one more. Spider-Man! This way, buddy. This way, yep. Go ahead. You go. So, I'm hanging out in the camper right now. The kids are playing with the dogs that we met here at the campground. We have no idea who they belong to, but the kids are having fun. Bower's out there just taking a little nap. I think Nick is getting stuff prepped for dinner here in a little bit. We're gonna make some spaghetti and meatballs, and it's kind of a bummer on this camp trip because there is a burn ban right now where we are. So we can't have a campfire tonight, which is a bummer, but we're gonna eat dinner and then it'll be dark. We'll like come in the camper, watch some movies and call it a night. So it's gonna get cold. So we'll see how it goes without a campfire tonight. All right. Is it getting cold?
I can't eat anything.
Use your fork.
Go sit down.
Why my hands are nothing cold?
We made it! The only downside of camping here, because everything else is so amazing, the sunrise is amazing, the views, all the fun things for the kids, but this is our bathroom. So, not ideal, but it's fine. We are no stranger to using porta potties. Okay. We did stay nice and warm in our camper though, and it's not nearly as bad this morning as I thought it was going to be. It's a beautiful morning. Buddy, did you sleep better after coming in the camper last night? Somebody got a little scared.
Yeah. I can grab it with my
Oh, Capri. Okay. It's all right. Here. It's okay. There's other things to eat. Come on. Why don't you eat a bar if you can't hold the cup without spilling it? Oh, you made me coffee? Thank you. You're the best. Did you sleep good last night, Capri? No? It seemed like you did.
No, because you farted.
Mommy was gassy last night. I'm sorry. It happens.
No more.
Did you sleep good last night?
No.
No?
Because of pieces.
Because I farted? I thought y'all were going to sit with me.
Oopsie. What about this? Plastic one.
Bye. This little guy has had a rough week this past week. If you missed my last video, you know that we had to put our other dog down on Monday. And Bauer was our second dog, so he's never known life without Oakley. And he has been very mopey around the house. He's been very sad. I came home Wednesday and he was like, as soon as I stepped out of the car, I was still in the driveway, I could hear him crying at the front door. I think he's still kind of hoping that Oakley's gonna come home. But yeah, we had this camping trip planned for a while now, before we knew, obviously, what would happen with Oakley, and I feel like this is exactly what all of us needed, but especially Bauer. Nick took the kids down by the big swing that I showed from yesterday, and Bauer, it's just a little bit of a trek, especially with all the leaves down on the trail. The trail to get to that swing is kind of steep. So it was kind of hard for Bauer to get down there. He doesn't have great hips. He never really has. So it's hard for him to get up and down that hill to get to the swing. So I stayed back with him drinking my coffee, but we probably won't hang out too long this morning. We're probably gonna head out pretty soon. With all that said, I am just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope we will have another camping vlog in the future, but to be honest, this is probably the last one of the year because this is the time of year where just things are busy, the holidays happen. So anyways, If you like this video and want to see more camping vlogs, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.